9:16. Let's fucking speed run this. Okay, down here in Bomb Simp. In Bomb Simp tick, our ticker function for the bomb simulation, we've added another shorthand reference to a constant. Bomb is idle. Bomb state 1, bomb is idle. We're going to use that down here inside of our loop that's going through every single room, going through every single tile in that room. Okay, go down here. Right beneath Visit Bomb, we have this new section, Burn Spark, Burn Laser. If our bomb type is between 1 and 7 inclusive, we have a spark pin or a laser, and if that spark pin or laser has the bomb state of bomb is void, we're going to interpret that state as the spark pin or laser is burned out. We're going to get the green mystery bits from the green channel over here. So, right, data pixel index of the bomb, multiply by 4 to get the byte address, offset by 1 to get the green channel. So green mystery bits, and we're decrementing them. Inside of the green channel is where we're going to use our cooldown timer. Our cooldown timer is the green channel of our bomb. This is a kill area mask for the bomb state. So all of the bits except for the bomb state are set to 1 in this mask, this 8-bit mask. Okay, re-idolize. If the green mystery bits are less than or equal to 0, then we're going to set green mystery bits to 0. And right here, what we're doing is we are resetting the bomb state to idle. Bomb state 1, bomb is idle. We're shifting that into the correct position after masking out the bomb state from the original red channel bits that we extracted from the bomb data. Down here, cool store. Those green mystery bits that we got, we want to put them back after we have modified them here, right? We want to put them back into the green channel of our bomb data, okay? And I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, that's it. So if you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You're on the fast playlist. Technical demos are here. Source code is here. Ways to get a hold of me. License. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. It is a fully destructible fractal geometry Bomberman MMO. If you like Bomberman, you are going to fucking love this. You are going to like this more than Bomberman. I fucking guarantee it. Like, subscribe, and follow. My name is Kanji Coder.